This week's adventure takes us to Trailerfest in Waco, Texas at Camp Fimfo. So let's check it out. Soak it in, folks. That is a 1951 Lighthouse Duplex. I've never seen one. And it's got a front awning. That's even cool too. No state permits required. I love it. I'm doing well. How are you, sir? Good. Oh my. This is something else. I've never seen one of these, anything close to it, so no. I'm kind of in shock right now.
That's here. We want to make sure that everybody gets, get a chance to see it.
Lighthouse.
He does the best work. I have not had him do my work, but he does the best work. You can just watch him on Facebook and. Okay, we're
absolutely.
We're on Facebook also. Touring and trails.
Alright.
I'm not with him.
Everything motorcycle and off the road, I like that.
All right.
Well, now lately it's been more just all camping.
We did Jeeps for a long time. I rhino lined them and all that stuff. We did LS swap.
This thing has upstairs. So here we go. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh, I'm in shock, folks. This is amazing. Okay. She's gonna lose her mind when she checks that out.
Okay.
All right, let's see what we got.
I got the livery.
Towards the back here.
I like the back. So yeah.
Got a shower. Oh, and a full kitchen. That's the real deal there too. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That's some nice cold air coming out of this. Oh, it's stunning. Stunning, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow. American RV Restoration. 100%. Check them out. They built this. That man right there built this. He built this. This is his own RV, but it is stunning.
Oh, I like the deep one too.
Just amazing. 1960 holiday house. I love the. Oh gosh, it's beautiful.
Holiday house was, I think there was like 200 and something that were ever constructed.
Wow.
And that was in the early 60s.
Wow.
It's this one has been completely restored.
It's beautiful.
Take a look.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Look at this. It's just stunning. Got the setup.
I like the old luggage.
It is
Actually,
absolutely beautiful. Look at the AC up there.
Oh
my gosh.
Going in. It's a little wet bath in the back. Oh, wow.
Look at this. So this is a wet bath. Absolutely stunning.
Well, my one piece of advice is find a professional who can at least look at it and give you some advice.
Yes.
And look deep, because there's a lot of rotten wood. The first thing that really attracted me, and then the fixed bed and some other things, but that window just makes it feel so much more spacious. It's only 17 feet, but with the configuration
it does
of
seem
the window, it just feels a lot more spacious than that. It's a lot of fun and really lovely.
That's stunning. That was Miss Cindy's awesome trailer. That was really cool.
Yeah, I liked it. Can we have one like that?
Save your money. The setup. Look at that beauty.
Well, I like the car.
Wow. Is that a Buick? I don't know. You car guys set me straight. What is this? I think it's a Buick. 98. It's got to be. No, it's an Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile 98. Forgive my ignorance. 53, and they're pulling a trailer with it. That is too cool. That is a beauty. 1948 Aero Flyte Falcon. Stunning. Just stunning.
Young man that hired married man first. But anyway, he got his construction job working on apartment houses.
Oh my.
And ended up owning his own construction company.
He did all this work himself?
Oh yes, every bit of it.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
He did all this himself. He did the car himself.
Oh.
It's just amazing attention to detail.
I found this on eBay, and it didn't look very good at all. It'd been sitting out in the woods for 20 years.
Wow.
And this lady that owned it, that her and her husband had bought it, and I suppose maybe they used it at first, but they put it out in the woods for their kids to play in there. So it'd been sitting in these woods for 20 years.
That is gorgeous. Just the lines that they have on this, the aluminum's stunning. Oh my gosh. Look at the back of this. 1948 Aero Flyte. Thank you, Thomas family, and thank you for your service and for saving this beauty. Once again, it's another one that they bought. Had a trailer at home. The frame was broken half. He did all this work himself. And they had to find 14 cars to put this one. So almost Johnny cashed it, but they did it right. It's stunning. And it's got an LS motor in it. Look at the brakes. Yeah, this thing's for real. We got another unique setup. So I see a Volkswagen bus and definitely got the Halloween spirit going. So let's check this out.
Look at the one in the bathtub. Oh, they're getting married. That's what it is.
Oh, they're getting married, and you got old dude over here just soaking in the tub.
You got the hippies.
Look at this. This is insane.
Oh,
And by insane means I love it.
I like the setup.
All right, look at this. Oh my gosh. Got the pop-up roof in it.
Oh, I want to look at it.
Oh my gosh. Can't imagine how much this cost to rebuild. It's awesome. Hi.
How you doing?
I'm wonderful. I love it.
Thank you.
I love every bit of it. The insanity is just right there with it.
Well, she goes kind of crazy.
Ah, yes. So the trailer is...
I had a thing and she...
Oh my gosh.
It's an Eriba Puck built in Germany to pull behind small vehicles.
Wow.
600 pounds.
600 pounds. Got the pop-up. You can even stand in it. That's insane. Look at it. It's 600-pound trailer that you can stand in.
Well, don't stand too well, but...
Eriba Puck. Made in Germany. There we go. Right there.
The bench seat, put the ball in
Oh, what do we got over here? We got a setup over here. We got looks like a little peach-colored Shasta in the background and a, maybe even a shaggin' wagon over there. Huh.
Take care.
All right.
You too.
We got somebody doing some. What we got here? Oh, Corley's not in there. Corley? Nope, Corley's not in there. Freddie was doing some. Woo, look at that. Oh boy. Let's go check out the... Doing well, how are you? Looks like it. We're doing great. All right. Look at this. This is too cool.
Dad at breakfast.
Oh my.
Oh, what?
You don't know what you're gonna ever see around the corner.
Look at that. Oh,
This is pretty cool. I don't know. I think they take the cake on this one.
Yes. Oh,
What do we got over here?
I think they're the yeah.
What year's the Shasta?
1963.
63.
1963 compact.
Compact, 13 foot? Ish? If.
Yeah.
Man.
Me and her have stayed in it for 12 nights in a row. Wow. And it's not going to happen again. And that was back after we first built it. Right now, I sleep in that one and she sleeps in this one.
All right.
Of course, this one's air conditioned.
Yeah.
I have it hidden.
Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's going to blow your mind when you go inside there.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh.
We have 2,600 hours invested in it.
2,600 hours.
We did
Jeez.
every bit of it ourselves.
Well, that's awesome.
Oh, wow.
It's amazing. What model is it?
67 Driftwood.
67 Driftwood. This is awesome. Look at that. It's awesome. So it's open. We were able to.
You don't have a big, ugly bird on his.
So let's take a look at this.
Ugly bird on
Wow. Got the little touches. Little candle. We've seen that before. Hi. Got the turquoise going in it. Got the retro looking fridge in it, and got an air conditioner. We got to have that in Texas.
Yeah.
Still got the original wood in it. Looks like the original flooring. Very, very cool. Got the furnace in it. Want to take a look? All right, now that's 14 foot. I had it right, 14 foot. 56, and they say it's 15 feet. I would have never have guessed that. It looks smaller than 15 feet, but I'm looking at it, so I've got to believe it. So we got, let's see what we got. Nice big bed in the back. Looks like we've done some modernization with it, which is good. Got the nice stove there that we built, and I'm going to say that's what we started with. Beautiful, fully restored Shasta. Even got the nice seats to match with it. Oh, very nice. Hi, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Just checking out your beautiful Shasta.
Certainly. Come on in.
We got all the original wood inside. Got an air conditioner because we're in Texas. We can't live without it.
Right.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, it's got a nice bed.
Good looking Shasta over here. Very nice. Beautiful blue. How are you, sir? Very nice. Aero Flyte 63, 16 footer. Super, super nice.
Blue is nice. Oh, he's got the beach thing going there.
We like the beach thing.
Yeah. I do like, I mean, he's got the camp on the beach theme going.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
56 Santa Fe.
Yeah, starting to get a little patina, and I've got to do a few touch-ups inside.
Look at this. Got a nice big bed in the back. It's got princess stove. Look at that. Original ice box in it. Just a very, very nice. Check it out. I like the big bed in the back. This is,
Oh, yes.
that's made for comfort, isn't
It's
it?
a memory foam. It's we sleep better out here than we do in our own bed at home.
56 Santa Fe.
He used it every
Fully restored. New skins, everything on this one. We got the logo up top.
She had
Just a good looking camper. Nice setup here with the 1953 Airstream. Got the old school stuff out front. Love it, love it, love it. Beautiful camper. Another cool vintage. Look at the front window on that. That awning goes all the way across. Another one with the tin can tours, so that's cool. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing well, sir. How are you?
All right, thanks for stopping by.
What's the make?
It's a Kenskill.
Kenskill.
1965.
Okay. 19
Started about
Kenskill.
a year almost.
Had about
My first camper was that one. Our first camper was that red and
Oh wow.
Double Scout.
Okay.
When we got during COVID, that was his project.
Original wood.
Makes sense, right? And then it's got a cutting
8-track
board.
player and they're using it.
Cutting board.
Yes.
Right.
And
It's got Elvis there.
you know, the kids are like, what is that? Well, I guess you could use it for most anything. Yeah, so.
It's working. It's definitely one of a kind. Kenskill. I'm not familiar with it, but 19.5 foot 65 model that has the original 8-track that they're playing music off of. So you gotta love that. I really appreciate opening up their trailers to share with us because it's beautiful. He's done all the work on the outside, did all the repaint. It looks stunning. Timberline model, just a beautiful trailer. So we like that it's original, it's unrestored. It's just the way they're gonna enjoy it. So very nice. Do it for this week's adventure at Trailerfest in Waco, Texas. It's a good one. This was a good one. What was your favorite trailer?
I would say the one that had upstairs.
Very nice. Yes, the double-decker.
Yes, I really want one of those.
That was my favorite one, but they were all really cool. So
I even really liked the one that was all, I mean, had lots of crazy Halloween stuff.
yeah, the peach-colored Shasta was pretty cool.
Yeah.
With the van. So hey,
Yes.
thanks for coming along. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We will see you
Down the road.
down the road.